When thinking about conducting research for a business problem or a marketing strategy, there's 3 different types of research you can consider. The first is exploratory, the second descriptive, and the third explanatory. Exploratory helps us better understand a concept or a question or perhaps a hypothesis that you're looking to solve. The second descriptive is to describe a phenomenon. That said, perhaps you're looking to understand how many, or how often, or for whom a phenomenon happens. That's all about describing. And the third is explanatory, which gives us the why answers to the things that we're looking for. All 3 of these types of research are very important and they build on one another. So let's take a deeper look at exploratory research. So say, for example, you are interested in understanding a new idea that you have, or maybe a business problem that you're considering, and you're really not quite sure where to start. So you might conduct what we call exploratory research, which is really giving you the data, the information to better understand the specific question that you want to look at in further research. So oftentimes when we do exploratory research, we think about things as simply asking yourself, what else has been studied about this phenomena in the past? So we might do what's called a literature review, or perhaps doing some search engine investigation, or other types of more formal research to help us really identify what has been looked at in the past and what do we know about this phenomenon, to help us make a more concerted effort into the research that we will do later on. So let's give us an example here of what an exploratory research topic might be. Think of yourself as the owner, the product owner, or maybe you are the owner of an energy drink company. And you might be asking yourself this question: what if we added a watermelon flavor to our category of energy drinks? So that's a really high level question, and the first thing that you might do is explore that question. You might go onto Google and start seeing, what are your competitors doing? Do they have a watermelon drink? Perhaps you want to look at consumers liking, do they like the flavor of watermelon or not? You might do an academic search on what has been written in the literature, what other consumer studies have been done related to the energy drink field or the watermelon flavor in particular. So your point here is to really start to build and explore and better understand the phenomenon that you're looking at so that you can make a more specific research question that you want to do. So let's take another example. Entertainment. So let's say you're a college student and you've been in quarantine or lockdown for the last 4 months, and you want to connect perhaps with some people on campus, some additional students that you miss because you don't have that social nature anymore. So you're thinking about, what about esports? And would other students who also like esports consider doing a virtual esport club? Now that is an interesting exploratory research topic that you can use. Now when we think about how do you go about conducting exploratory research, it doesn't have to be formal. You can certainly start to explore. We talked about doing a literature review or finding out what other information is out there. You could do some informal interviews. You might talk to your friends. You might talk to people who are drinking energy drinks if that was your business problem you're looking to. You might do some case studies or focus groups. Just enough information to let you know, yeah, I'm on the right track here, and I think I want to explore this information further. So again, exploratory research is the first of 3 different research types that you can explore. Remember, there are 3: exploratory, which means to explore or investigate; descriptive, which we will talk about next time, is describing a phenomenon; and explanatory, which really answers the question why. So thank you, and I will talk about the other 2 research topics in the next video.